Welcome back to our WordPress tutorial series. In this video, we're diving into one of the most powerful features of WordPress, plugins. If you want to add contact forms, security, SEO tools, or even e-commerce features, plugins are the way to do it, and it only takes a few clicks. Think of plugins as apps for your WordPress site. Want a gallery? There's a plugin. Need to speed up your site? There's a plugin. From simple tools to advanced e-commerce, plugins let you customize and expand your site, all without touching a single line of code. Now, let's go step by step and install a plugin. I'll show you how to search for a plugin, install it from the WordPress Plugin Directory, and even upload one manually. Follow along and try it yourself on your site. To wrap up, plugins are powerful, but they must be used wisely. Stick to well-reviewed plugins, keep them updated, and don't overload your site with too many. A clean, optimized site always performs better, especially if you're building an online store with WooCommerce. Thanks for joining me today. If this video helped you understand how to use WordPress plugins, please give it a like, share it with others who are building their own site, and don't forget to subscribe.